Hello friends, today 8th March 2021 is celebrated as International Women's Day, and I wish all my sisters and friends a very happy Women's Day. This day is being celebrated in order to commemorate the contributions of women to the society. It also raises awareness about the fight for gender parity and inspires the support for organizations that help women globally. Before going into further detail, it is a great time to think about the origin of the word woman. Some people think the word woman is a compound of the words womb and man, but actually speaking, it is a compound of wife and man, a combination that can be traced back to Old English. The clipping will give you the full detail of the word woman. Coming to the popular biblical definition of a woman, in the Hebrew Bible books of Genesis, man is Ish and woman is Esau, because Eve was taken out of the man's side. This is how the bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh, she shall be called woman, for she was taken out of man. So, whatever may be the origination of the word woman, for me, being a woman means being a valuable member of society, being able to be powerful and assertive, yet kind and compassionate at the same time. And it also means striving for one's goal even in the face of adversity which may be encountered along the way. As we have probably heard, there are plenty of ways to embrace the International Women's Day, from supporting women-owned businesses, sending the women Happy Women's Day messages, and exchanging flowers. But do you actually know the fundamental International Women's Day facts, like what Women's Day is and the history behind it? In this video, I will focus on the same. International Women's Day is a focal point in the movement for women's rights, and it was started in America in 1909 when the Socialist Party of America took to the streets of the New York City to honor garment workers who had protested against inhumane working conditions. They called it National Women's Day, and it took place on 28 February 1909. In the following year, that is in the year 1910, the German delegates Clara Zetkin, Kate Dunker, Paul Tate, and others proposed at the 1910 International Socialist Women's Conference that a special Women's Day will be organized annually. Therefore, during the year 1911, Austria, Denmark, Germany, and Switzerland celebrated the first official International Women's Day on March 19, 1911. More than 1 million people attended rallies focused on suffrage, representation, education, and workers' rights. Over the next few years, more countries in Europe marked the holiday on March 8th. After women gained suffrage in Soviet Russia in 1917, March 8th became a national holiday there as well. The day was then predominantly celebrated by the socialist movement and communist countries until it was adopted by the feminist movement during 1967. Further, during the International Women's Year of 1975, the United Nations began to celebrate 8th March 1975 as International Women's Day and also declared it as an official holiday. From then on, the day has gained awareness around the globe as a way to recognize women. And the commemoration of International Women's Day today ranges from being a public holiday in some countries to being largely ignored elsewhere. In some places, it is a day of protest. In others, it is a day that celebrates womanhood. The International Women's Day logo is a looping arrowed circle with a female gender symbol at the inset. The color which has been allotted for the Women's Day is violet. Every year, the United Nations provides a unique theme towards the celebration of this day. For instance, the 2020 theme was Each for Equal, 2019's was Balance for Better. In 2018, the theme of International Women's Day was Press for Progress. The 2017 Women's Day theme was Be Bold for Change, and the 2016 theme was Pledge for Parity. With the campaign Choose to Challenge, this year 2021 believes in the importance of challenging biases and misconceptions in the interest of creating a more inclusive and gender equal world. The UN also issued a 2021 theme, Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. The UN's 2021 theme celebrates efforts from girls and women in creating a more equal future and COVID-19 pandemic recovery. A world where women are not deprived of their basic rights and don't need to fight for what they deserve. From relatives to friends to public figures, we are surrounded by incredible women who persist in a world that limits them. And many women have already worked hard for their rights and achieved great heights, breaking the glass ceiling in various fields for a long time. In this manner, Indian women's history is full of pioneers who have broken gender barriers, worked hard for their rights, and are making remarkable progress. Year after year, strong, intelligent, determined women from across India make their mark around the world and excelled in various fields. To honor the strong and wonderful women, I am extremely happy in bringing you a list of first women in India who have performed extraordinarily in their respective fields and are seen as a role model by other women of our country. With this background, I have planned to give the video series entitled Women Record Makers of India into 5 parts. The first part will highlight on the women as political heads, ministers, administrators, police officers and appointees to international bodies. The second will be on the education, law, military, social service and environment. Third will be on business, science, space, information technology and journalism. The fourth part will be on arts, culture, cinema, music and sports. The final part will highlight on women who are extraordinary achievers and award winners. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all with the first part of the video series soon.